Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make print-on-demand designs using Ideogram. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So let's go ahead and begin with opening our browser and go to ideogram.ai. This is a very easy platform where all you have to do is sign up or log in into your Ideogram account for free so that you'll be able to create images or print-on-demand designs for your t-shirts like this one here, like the cat design. But before we move further, we will actually be using ChatGPT for them to generate the ideas or the prompt for us to use in Ideogram. There are two types or two ways that we will be sharing with you on how you will be able to generate print-on-demand designs. One is with text and one with it, and the other one would be with a subject. So first here is that you need to let ChatGPT know what the formula of your prompt for Ideogram is. And if ChatGPT will respond yes, that's the time where you will be indicating the format or what the topic is about or what the style would be. And then once that would be generated, you can ask ChatGPT to write 10 items that you can use for Ideogram prompt. And as you can see here, no need to click the other tabs or other styles. All you have to do is to copy and paste the Ideogram prompt and then just simply click on generate, and it will automatically generate 4 different images for you for your print-on-demand design like this one. Okay, so there's actually a lot of options for you to choose from, so all you have to do is to do trial and error and until you will be able to find the right design that you can use for your print-on-demand t-shirts. As you can see here, you are actually asking 10 Ideogram prompts so that you'll be able to use it here on Ideogram. So all you have to do is to try and test it out, or if it does not look great, you can just simply add a few words into your prompt and it will definitely be generated as well here on Ideogram. So the good thing here is that it's actually for free. So depending on what the design you will be looking for, especially when there are texts incorporated here in Ideogram, it will definitely be projected or it will be generated the way you want it to be. There could be some misspelling into the image that you will be prompting, but most of it would be understandable or it's the correct words as well. So another thing here is that you can definitely change. For example, please use random, funny, or pun phrases. So the first prompt that I have is actually for inspirational quotes, but if you want to change the words or the way the words or phrases are being generated by ChatGPT, you can definitely simply tweak the formula that you created earlier so that you'll be able to generate a lot more images or a lot more designs for your print-on-demand. So as you can see here, just wait for it to load. Like this one. There's actually some spelling, but you can actually use this as a guide or your inspiration in creating your own print-on-demand designs. But you can simply add it directly into your print-on-demand designs, but it's best if you put your own touch in it as well so that you'll be having your own originality or there's your own touch into your products. So here I'm just trying out other phrases as well until we will be able to find the perfect image. So there's actually, the first one was retro. We have here a neon light. We even had the pixelated design. So depending on what design you will be looking for, what design style you're looking for, Ideogram will generate that for you. For as long as you just have the right prompts to use, you will be generated with images that you will be looking for. Here is Ideogram. Okay, so now we will be proceeding with the second type. So as you can see here, here's another formula where you have the subject in a 2D illustration. And then it would be a t-shirt design with text saying, and then you need to make sure that the text that you want to incorporate into your print-on-demand t-shirt designs would be enclosed with the quotation marks. And you also indicate what style as well. Then you ask ChatGPT if the ChatGPT understands your formula. And then if yes, you can indicate please create 10 different ideogram prompts using the format that you provide them, featuring the whale theme and the art style as well. So the subject that I have is actually a whale because I find whale cute. So you just incorporate that here. So I've copied one of the prompts that ChatGPT generated for us. And as you can see, the first one is what we are looking for. We are looking for this type of design. And instead of having a design that's already on a t-shirt. Since usually for print-on-demand designs or platforms, it actually will allow you to upload the design. So if you'll be uploading a design with a t-shirt on it, the t-shirt drawing or the t-shirt illustration will also be included into the print-on-demand design. So what you look for is like these illustrations so that you'll be able to get the nearest design or a clear design of the subject or the t-shirt design that you want to be incorporated into your print-on-demand t-shirts. So here I'm trying out another design. So it's, I'm on a seafood diet, I see food and I eat it. So as you can see, there's a whale, there's very cute illustrations. So there's definitely a lot of options that you can choose from. And it even has a color theme in it as well that would inline into what art style you are looking for. Here with the ChatGPT prompt that we generated earlier. So there is a retro comic design, and then here this is another design that we have. It's still the subject is a whale. So if you want to change the subject, so for example you want a cat, a dog, you can definitely do so. There's actually the format of how the formula would be created. So here we have the surreal whimsy design and a lot more. So you can just keep on generating the prompt and then just copy and pasting it at Ideogram so that you'll be able to create your own print-on-demand design using Ideogram. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to create print-on-demand t-shirt designs using Ideogram and ChatGPT. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!